What's going on, guys? I wanted to do a follow-up of several years later of the PC I built back in college. This is my first video. Take a look here, see what we got going on. Got the Striker case. Big Striker with that big beefy carry handle. I'm gonna carry this big bastard around. Back before all the RGB power supplies had this Snow Silent. Thing's doing real good. I got that 6 gig 1060. That was for all my gaming needs back in the day. I don't really game anymore. Red guy, that's my PCI Express wireless card. So I got it mounted up on the wall there. Does a great job. I got the Samsung 950 PCI Express 512 hard drive. Back when those things just came out. Got the LEPA water cooler. These lights right here, NZXT. Add on 3 terabyte internal Blu-ray writer. I got this mount here from Ergotron. I love this guy. Got a great deal on that guy. My desk here, this is an autonomous sit-stand desk. So you just come over here, you just hit the button. Perfect standing height for me. Got my Dyson fan heater down there with my sub. Got one little speaker because my other speaker's busted. I haven't replaced him yet. Got this Corsair gaming keyboard. Got a 6500 i5, 16 gigs of RAM. Got my PCI Express wireless card. Got my iMac back here. Watch a little Gary V. Shout out Gary V. Got my wireless charger. Never know when you might need one of these guys, right? Got the Anchor. Charge my Fitbit. Got the Verizon 5G extender. Gotta have some baby Groot, right? You never know. Until next time.